Welcome back. When plotting multiple datasets, especially when lines or markers overlap, it can be difficult to distinguish individual elements or see where data points are densely clustered. In this lecture, we introduce the alpha parameter, which controls the transparency of any visual element, a simple yet powerful tool for handling overlapping plots. 1. Defining overlapping data. To properly demonstrate transparency, we need data sets that overlap. We use number py to create 3 different y-series: sine, cosine, and tangent, all based on the same x data. These 3 lines will naturally intersect multiple times. Two, using alpha for transparency. The alpha parameter takes a floating point value between 0 and 1, where 1 is the default, fully opaque setting. We plot the 3 lines with progressively lower alpha values. Notice how the blue line with the default alpha of 1 completely obscures anything underneath it. The red and especially the green lines with lower alpha values allow us to see the other lines where they overlap. Three, adding a legend. Since we used the label argument in our plot calls, we can easily generate a legend using plt.legend. The legend shows the color and style of each line and its corresponding label, which is essential for identifying which transparent line is which. Running this code now shows the final visualization. To summarize, the alpha argument is key for clarifying plots with high data density or many overlapping series. Our next lecture 37.06, Generate Scatter Graph. See you there.